The 2009 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, XM satellite radio, heated seats, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, heated front seats, trip computer, power moonroof, leather seats, leather, brake assist, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.